This is a cannonball. A fake cannonball, to be exact. A faux cannonball. A simulacrum of a cannonball. And a crap simulacrum at that. Perhaps the documentation of just such a cannonball in just such an environment at just such a time is of various variants of importance to various variants of people. Whatever this cannonball may or may not embody, stand for, symbolize, or say, it is conceivable that any manipulation of the current state of affairs would alter the specifics of the situation in an inconceivable number of ways. Say, if the cannonball were to be removed. We are now faced with a desolate, unspecific landscape, in which the road would be the main protagonist, were it not for the cannonball-shaped hole, a gaping chasm of a hole. The scene has been altered even though it is in no way evident or traceable from what we see before us now. The scene has been staged, even faked in a way, via the subtraction of an element. Our perception of the situation would be rather different were we to have only seen this empty landscape. But we cannot unsee the cannonball. It remains burnt onto the retinas of our memory. In fact, the blatant lack of cannonball draws our attention to the cannonball ever more pointedly. Its physical form may have left the cropped scene in front of us, but the idea of a cannonball is more present than ever via its absence. An absence we only perceive because we have not seen the cannonball-shaped hole filled. And now the cannonball is back. If we take the previous scene with the cannonball to be the original one, then is this one staged, even though the same cannonball has been placed in the same position at less than a minute's interval? Is it in fact the same cannonball? We suspect that it is, but perhaps it is a copy of the previous one, a copy of a copy, or a sister copy of the initial one, both taken from a common mould. Does it actually matter if this cannonball is a different one to the one shown before? Perhaps the initial cannonball was in some way special, or certain connotations, or was crucial to a narrative of some kind, and this new one is an imposter. What if there is an elephant just out of shot? Isn't there always a possible elephant lurking just at the edge of the frame? This cropped scene excludes so much, so we can only contemplate, imagine, and discuss that which is not shown, even though it affects how we see the image no end. But what is excluded now?